Hello and welcome to Project B. My car's running a bit hot, so in this video we're going to replace and upgrade the cooling system.
Being hot is one of the worst feelings ever. You're sweating, skin sticking to skin that just shouldn't stick together.
Is this a car video?
Oh right, Project B. Wrong video. Okay, your car being hot, really bad. It can also lead to your engine going kaput from overheating. So today, on Morgan's S15, we're upgrading the radiator.
So my car is running a bit hot like James said earlier. So we're going to upgrade the radiator to a nice big aluminium dual core radiator. So first thing we're going to do is take the radiator cap off, just so there's no pressure when we go to drain it. It's as easy as done. So now that we've lifted up the car, we can go ahead and drain all the coolant. And be prepared, it may go everywhere. So I'm also going to take the bottom radiator hose off just to make sure all the coolant is out of the system. Next step is taking the shroud out, but before we can do that, we're going to take the top return line hose from the radiator off, which is just a hose clamp. Take the two radiator support, I guess, or whatever you call them. Take them out and just get rid of some of these hoses and all that out of the way. So, yep. So before you take the shroud out, you also have to take the fan off, just so it's out of the way. So now that you have removed the top radiator hose as well as the fan, you can go ahead and remove the shroud and the radiator altogether. So we've got the radiator out, and straight away you can see the difference. This has been in the car for a long time and has accumulated just heaps of debris. There's lots of like feathers and stuff in this one, so it's probably hit a lot of birds in its time. And straight away you can probably see how thin this is. You can, it's really thin compared to this one, which is, almost over twice the size of it. So yeah, just big improvement. So now we can put the radiator and the shroud back in. So now that they're in, we can go ahead and connect all the hoses, bolt everything up, including the fan, and then begin to top up the new radiator with all the new coolant. So now that the new radiator is all filled with new coolant, we can go ahead and start the car and start the bleeding process. For my Silvia, it's a pretty simple process. All you have to do is turn the heater on and undo the bleeder bolt on the top of the engine. After you've bled the system, keep the engine running just so you can check if there's any leaks. In our case, there was no leaks, but there was a little bit of spillage when we topped up the coolant.
So we took the car for a drive and the car is sweet. The temperatures didn't get above about 81, 82 degrees and stayed very consistently around that 80, 81 degree mark. So sweet, no leaks, no air bubbles. We did burp the system at the end. So everything's good to go. Over the next couple of days, we'll take the car out and for a few more drives, just make sure everything's good. But so far, it's excellent and the temps are right where we want them to be. So yeah, if you like this video, enjoyed what you've seen, please hit that like button, comment down below and subscribe. All your support really helps in this initial stages of our YouTube channel. And we'll see you in the next video of Project B.